What's up, y'all? Back again with another video, but this is a little different. My son, he actually wanted to do a video, a little unboxing, because he's into Pokemon cards and everything. Me, not so much. I'm more into Yu-Gi-Oh. I used to be into Pokemon, just as a collector. I never did any like tournaments or battles or anything. What actually engaged me into like battling and all that stuff is Yu-Gi-Oh. But that's just me. But anyway, my son, he just wanted to do an unboxing of his birthday gifts, pretty much. And the thing is, he's a little shy, but he does watch like a lot of Pokemon opening packs and everything. So he wanted to try it on my channel. So if you guys can just like comment, like support that you enjoyed it or whatever, or even a happy birthday, he'll gladly appreciate it. And hopefully, if he sees that kind of engagement, he might actually make his own channel. But for now, he wants me to upload it on my channel, which is fine. It's cool. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel and all that stuff. And if he does want to do his own channel, I'll let you guys know. Enjoy.
I got this thing over here this morning. See how we're gonna see how this plays out. Cause I'm his son or whatever. My dad, well, Masturbator 247, he doesn't do Pokemon. He likes Yu-Gi-Oh cause he's old school, type stuff. Was it? I think he used to do that back in like very early, before I was born, actually. So let me just, yep, just do this. Put this on the side. Okay, like the packaging, see. Yep. Oh, alright. Alright, so alright, there we go. Alright, so hold on, let me do this thing. I can't even really fit this. So, alright, so we got this. This is what, the play mat over here. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out how I get this off. Yep. Put that to the side. Gonna keep this on the side too. Actually put it right here. Alright, yeah, y'all can see it, right? Alright. It's not the best view, but it is what it is. Alright, so first box right here. Y'all see that? Fusion Strike, alright. We're gonna put these. Hold on. Gonna put this off to the side. What else I got right here? Ooh, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so we got Lost Origins. And look what it came with. Bam! Look, here's the code. Hold on. Yup. Redeem it. Keep that off to the side. got another one. Alright. Or bet. So, got the sleeves, Charizard sleeves. You know, put that to the side. The dice, all that good stuff, put that to the side. Alright, hold on, let me see. So, got the book. See what we could get. No. Alright, got these little V's and stuff. Can get shiny Charizard. Yup. Shiny Pikachu. See, this is nice. I want that. And these. Dang. Alright, bet. Yep. It's wrap. Alright, so. First off, I'm gonna start off with this. You know. Ooh, came with 3. Hold on, let me just. So y'all already seen this. Dang, this is shiny. Oh, this is what y'all seen. My fault, y'all. Dang, already got some off the rip. Sleeve these real quick. Oh yeah. Here's the card. Artwork on these sleeves are pretty nice. Alright. Now, what else? What is this? Fusion. Fusion Strike. Alright, bet. So, first off, bring that to the side. Got this. That to the side. Up. Ooh, yup. Alright, backwards. 1, 2, 3. I'm assuming it's 4. So I'm gonna just go with it. Yep, it's 4. Do that for y'all. Ooh, hold on. None great, but it's our first pack, so can't even get mad. Can't even get mad. Yep. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. One. Yep. Oh, let me do that for y'all. Yep, none great on that. It's okay. Alright. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no. I'm just gonna. Yep. Let's see. Dang. Alright, we're on our last pack. Still got more to go. Okay. Is this upside down? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, it is upside down. Was it energy? Yep. And alright, bet. So now what is this? Evolving skies. Be sure there's more evolving. Alright, bet. Mm. One, 2, 3, 4. Tentacool. Marie. Oh, that was it? Alright. Come on. Hold on. One, 2, 3, 4. Fire energy. Copycat. Wobbuffet. Come on. Ooh, okay. So look, y'all. Pull the Jolteon V. Pretty decent. Let me just leave that up. Alright, now we're on our last pack. Fighting energy. What's that? Skiploom. Copycat. Pikachu. Oh. Ooh. Yep. Pretty nice. Alright, so we got Vivid Voltage. Wait. Was that our Vivid? Alright. Got a Vivid Voltage, and then we got Lost Origin next. Let me just do this for y'all. Yep. Oh yeah, hold on. Yep. Leaf energy. Charmander. Ooh, pretty cool. You know what? I'm gonna sleeve that. And then, ooh, got some clean pulls. Alright. Alright, so let me sleeve both of these. Raikou and Leon. Look, one last. Once again, the artwork on this is nice. Now we're on our Lost Origins. Was it? Alright, bet. Ooh, black border. We got fire. Horsey. And ooh, what is this? Magnezone V-Star. Pretty solid, pretty solid. Hold on, let me do that. Alright. Only got one last one right here. Then the next is what, Astral Radiance and Brilliant Star. I don't know, I forgot. I opened those up like a few months ago. One, two, three, four. Psychic, Lady. Oh, my fault, y'all. Electric. Oh, hold on, what's that right here? NK, Jinx, and ooh, straight good hits. What is this? Out the Lost Origin, hit after hit. Alright, now we got Astral Radiance. White border. It's not always good. One, two, three, four. Alright, so we got like Cornby, was that cool? Was it? Yanma. And yep, what is that? None great, none great. It's okay. What is this? Astral Radiance. Heard Brilliant Stars has some good stuff over there. Trying to get some more, boy. So a white border. One, two, three, four. Psychic. Voltorb. Kinda cool. And these cards are kinda bent. Glad it's a white border. Hope I don't get anything major. Leaf on or something like that. Watch out. Black border, yep. It's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was it upside down? Yep. No, these cards are bent too. Oh, my fault, y'all. Oh, I see something in the back. See something in the back. Side up. And ooh, Garchomp V. Let me sleeve that up. Yeah. It's my latest pull right here. So this about to be my most recent one. Alright, so we're down to what, 3 packs. Brilliant Stars. Hope we get some good out of these 3 packs. Out of these last 3 packs. What, paid $100 for this whole box right here. See if it's worth it. Well, I don't know those other cards. If I don't know how much they are, but like, it's alright. White border. One, two, three, four. Alright. Leaf energy. Executor. Sock. Yes. And looks pretty cool, but you know. Black border. Yep. That's what I like to see. Where's the code? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I see some in the back. Out the way. And ooh, Grand Bull. Hold on. That's some nice artwork. This is my last pack. Hope I get good luck. Black border. There's our code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. This might mean something good. Oh, this is upside down. Alright, so we got Magmar, Staryu, Remy, and wait, hold on. And ooh, yeah, that's our last pull of the day. It's pretty nice. Alright, it's the end of the video of Sword and Shield Charizard $100 box. Hope y'all enjoy, like and sub. Master Beta 247 signing out.